Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting CPU-Z installed and ready. Download the correct 32-bit or 64-bit installer, then run it as administrator so the tool can access hardware info. Once done, close heavy applications and save work so readings reflect idle hardware. This avoids skewed temps or clock speeds. Make sure device drivers are up to date before you continue. This first step ensures the app launches cleanly and reports accurate baseline values for the next steps. Open CPU-Z and move through the tabs. CPU shows core speed, multiplier, and voltage. Caches lists cache sizes. Mainboard gives chipset and BIOS. Memory and SPD reveal timings and frequency, while graphics shows GPU details. As you observe numbers, compare current core speed to base clock to detect boosts or throttling. Take screenshots or use the tool's Save feature to export a text report. This lets you compare before and after changes. Keep notes so you understand why values change. You finish by validating CPU-Z findings against BIOS/UEFI and a quick stress test to confirm stability. If values look wrong, like 0 cores, weird voltages, or missing memory channels, update chipset drivers and BIOS, then reinstall CPU-Z. That usually fixes detection issues. Once done, compare results with another monitoring tool to rule out a single app bug. If discrepancies persist, reboot into safe mode, uninstall conflicting drivers, and retest. This isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.